A body moves along a straight line so that its displacement from a fixed point on the line is given by S is equals to 40 cube minus 60 square plus 20. Find the displacement, velocity and acceleration at the end of 3 seconds. So a body moves along a straight line and he given a displacement function, okay, a displacement equation. Given displacement function S is equals to 40 cube minus 60 square plus 20. 40 cube minus 60 square plus 20. This is displacement field or displacement function or displacement equation. So displacement function, okay. So given displacement in terms of time, okay. We didn't mention anything about units of displacement. Let us assume here displacement is in meters, okay. Displacement is in meters. So meters అని నేను assume చేసుకున్నాను, okay. Or you can take units అని కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు, no problem. So here S is equal to 40 cube minus 60 square plus 20. Find the displacement, velocity and acceleration at the end of 3 seconds. So at the end of 3 seconds, so we have to find first displacement and velocity at last acceleration, okay. So displacement denoted by capital S, velocity V and acceleration small e, okay. So SVA. First let us find displacement. So first displacement, let us find displacement. So S is equals to, here displacement function is 40 cube minus 60 square plus 20. So S is equals to 4 into, we need displacement at T is equal to, we need displacement at T is equals to 3 seconds. T is equals to 3 seconds. So 4 into T cube, T is equal to 3 seconds. So 3 cube minus 6 into T square. T square means 3 square plus 20. Okay, now simply substitute T is equal to 3 in displacement function. Then we can find displacement at T is equal to 3 seconds or after 3 seconds. So 3 seconds తర్వాత displacement, ఆ body displacement ఎంత అనేది మనం find out చేయాలి. So 4 into 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. 4 into 27 minus 6 into 3 square 9 plus 20. 4 27s are 108 minus 6 9s are 54 plus 20. 108 plus 20, 128 minus 54. So 128 minus 54, how much? 128 minus 54. So 128 minus 54. So first of all 100 minus 54, 46. So 46 plus 28. 46 plus 28, 74 meters. Therefore displacement of the body at T is equal to 3 seconds. So first question answer 74 meters, okay. Next, second question, velocity. Second question is velocity. Velocity at T is equal to 3 seconds. At T is equal to 3 seconds. So first of all, what is the relationship between velocity and displacement? Velocity V is equal to, so velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So denoted by ds by dt is given by, velocity is given by ds by dt. ds by dt means rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So ds by dt gives us velocity. So we have to find derivative of displacement with respect to time. So derivative of displacement with respect to time. So now v is equal to d by dt of displacement function is s is equal to what? 4t cube minus 60 square plus 20. We have to find derivative of this function with respect to t. Okay na? So మనకి దీనికి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి, డెరివేటివ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు t. ఎందుకంటే మనకి వెలాసిటీ ఫార్ములా ds by dt, వెలాసిటీ is equal to ds by dt. Okay, so first in derivatives we have a formula d by dt of t power n, power formula. So this is called power formula in differentiation. In derivatives we have power formula d by dt of t power n formula n into t power n minus 1, n into t power n minus 1. Apply this formula here. So v is equal to, here 4 is constant, okay na? So and t is variable, so take out the constant from the derivative, and d by dt of t cube minus 6 is constant, so take out 6 from the derivative. Now apply derivative for t square, d by dt of t square, d by dt of t square, and d by dt of 20, d by dt of constant what? 0. d by, remember derivative of constant is 0. Okay, next v is equal to 4 into derivative of t cube, d by dt of t cube. Okay, so t cube, it's like t power n, here n is equal to 3. Use this formula, apply this formula, you will get 3 into t power 3 minus 1 minus 6 into d by dt of t square, here n is equal to 2, so 2 into t power 2 minus 1. So v is equal to 4 3s are 12, t power 3 minus 1 t square minus 6 2s are 12, 12 into t. Therefore velocity function is 12t square minus 12t, 12t square minus 12t. Anyhow here we can take 12t common. Okay na? In the last step we have got 12t square minus 12t. So velocity function v is equal to, let us take 12t common. So 12t common means you will get t here and minus 1. So now velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds. Velocity t is equal to 3 seconds is equal to 12 into, put t is equal to 3 here. So 12 into 3 into 3 minus 1. So 12 3s are 36 into 3 minus 1 2. So 36 2s are 72. 72 units meter per second. 72 meters per second. So next, in the third question, acceleration. Third question, acceleration A at t is equal to 3 seconds. T is equal to 3 seconds. So now we know that acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Nothing but dv by dt. It means dv by dt. A is equal to dv by dt. So derivative of v with respect to t. So we find acceleration by finding derivative of v with respect to t. Okay. Now A is equal to d by dt of v. What is v? V is equal to 12t square minus. So velocity function is, your velocity equation is 12t square minus 12t. 12t square minus 12t. A is equal to, now distribute d by dt. So d by dt of 12t square minus d by dt of 12t. d by dt of 12t. A is equal to, so here 12 is constant, okay na? So now take out 12 from the derivative and d by dt of, here variable is there, so d by dt of t square minus, here 12 is constant, then d by dt of t. A is equal to 12 into d by dt of t square 2t, difference derivative of t square is 2t minus 12 into derivative of t is 1. A is equal to 24, 12 into 2 24 minus 12. Now put t is equal to find acceleration at t is equal to 3 seconds, put t is equal to 3 here. 24 into 3 minus 12. 24 threes are, 24 threes are, how much 24 threes are? 72, 72 minus 12. 72 minus 12, 60. Therefore, acceleration at t is equal to, acceleration of the body at t is equal to 3 seconds is 60 meter per second square. 60 meter per second square. Okay, na?